In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace hidden marks with a scroll bar in Tableau. Tableau is an incredibly powerful tool for data visualization, but sometimes you encounter a situation where the number of items you have can't be displayed cleanly due to space constraints. In such cases, implementing a scroll bar can be very helpful. Let's walk through the steps to do just that. First, make sure you have the Tableau public app open. You can download it for free if you haven't installed it yet. Once the app is ready, you need to access the worksheet you'll be working on. If your data is already loaded into Tableau, navigate to the specific worksheet that contains your data for visualization. Now, you'll need to begin by dragging the category field into the rows shelf. This action allows you to organize your data better visually, setting up a foundation for your scrollable list. Next, locate the product name field in your data pane and drag it onto the details shelf. The product names need to be present to complete the following steps of creating a more dynamic interaction on your visuals. Once you have your fields in place, move up to the menu bar, click on Analysis, and select Create Calculated Field. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to name this new field. Enter all product names as the title. In the same dialog, input the necessary query for this calculated field. Ensuring it's accurate is important for the field to work as expected. After this, click OK to confirm and create your calculated field. Now take this newly created calculated field, all product names, and drag it to the column shelf. Doing so will prepare your sheet for a visual transformation. Click on the drop-down associated with this newly placed field and make sure to select Discrete. This specification changes how data items are displayed, organizing them in a manner that facilitates scrolling. After selecting Discrete, click the drop-down again and choose Edit Table Calculation. In the dialog box that appears, look for the option labeled Specific Dimensions. Click this and ensure Product Name is selected. This action configures the calculation to consider each product name, which is essential for creating a smooth scrolling effect. Finally, go back to that drop-down one more time and unselect Show Header. Removing the header display creates more room for your visualization, ensuring the scroll bar has ample space to work properly. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully replaced hidden marks with a scroll bar in Tableau. This adjustment can make your visualizations not just more informative, but also more user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.